Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. All of you know already recently Microsoft rolled out Windows 11 25H2 version update. So Intel officially confirms that actually Windows 11 25H2 version supporting its drivers actually. So recently Intel rolled out the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drivers. So these drivers actually it is supporting the Windows 11 25H2 version also. So now I will show you how to update those drivers actually. So you can download these drivers directly navigating to the Intel website also. Otherwise, if you install this Intel driver support assistant, if you install this Intel driver support assistant, you can update those drivers through this support assistant also. So if you tap on this support assistant, it will take you to the directly Intel website. So from here also you can directly download the these both drivers, Intel Wi-Fi drivers and Intel Bluetooth drivers. So you can download these drivers from the through the driver support assistant also. If you want to check actually right now the after you updating this Intel Wi-Fi drivers, so the version will be actually 23.170.0 actually. So if you want to know current Wi-Fi driver version, so just navigate to the device manager. So open my computer and right click on this PC, tap on show more options, tap on manage. It will open this window actually, computer management. So tap on this device manager and navigate to this network adapters. So expand this network adapters and choose the Wi-Fi driver. Select this Wi-Fi driver and right click on this Wi-Fi driver and tap on properties, tap on driver. So this is the current driver version of the Wi-Fi actually 23.160.0.4. So after you update this driver, so after the Wi-Fi, after you update the latest Wi-Fi driver, so the version will be updated to 23.170.0 actually. So after updating this driver, I will show you the latest version. And here you can read the description also, driver description also. So what it includes this driver, what is the purpose of this driver also you can read the description, all the things actually. Here also you can you scroll down here you can read the and validate and this driver is validated for this the list below here actually. You can check the what Wi-Fi version you have actually. So to check the which Wi-Fi version you have, so you can check here also on the device manager. So I have the Wi-Fi 6. In the same way also you can check your Wi-Fi version. Otherwise you can open the command prompt. From the command prompt also you can check the your Wi-Fi version actually. So open the command prompt and enter this command net sh space wlan space show interfaces net sh space wlan space show interfaces and hit enter. So it will list the Wi-Fi version and Wi-Fi driver name also. This is the Wi-Fi version you have actually. I mean, currently I have this is the Wi-Fi version, Wi-Fi 6. And in this way, you can find out your Wi-Fi version also through command prompt. Otherwise, you can find out through device manager also. Which Wi-Fi, I mean, which Wi-Fi version you have. Sorry, which Wi-Fi generation you have actually. Wi-Fi 6 generation I have actually. And 802.11ax. This is the standard type for this, standard name for this Wi-Fi 6 generation actually. You can find this standard type also for your Wi-Fi generation. So execute this command to command prompt and you can find the Wi-Fi generation. Otherwise, you can find out in the device manager also. I already told you right. I have this current version. I have the Wi-Fi 6 is 23.160.0.4. So after you update the driver, the generation Wi-Fi version will change actually. 20 Wi-Fi generation Wi-Fi version will Wi-Fi driver version it will update it to 23.170.0 actually. So let me update the driver. And if you want to check the Bluetooth version, Bluetooth driver version also, same thing here you can check actually. So expand this Bluetooth and right click on this Bluetooth driver and navigate to the properties. Tap on the driver. And the current driver version is 23.160.0.9 of the Bluetooth. So after you update this Bluetooth driver also, will update it to 23.170.0 actually. So let me update this both the drivers. So for that you need to download from here actually. Either you can download from the driver support assistant also, otherwise you can visually directly download from the Intel website also. You want to read the documentation for this one, you can download this document release notes also actually. Will download this document, you can read the what are the features and what are the updates have actually. You can read the description actually. Want to check this document also, you can check by downloading this release notes actually. What are the updates for the hardware? You can check all the things through the release notes actually. What are the supported products? What are the driver version? So it will explain everything actually. If you read these notes, you can understand the complete complete update of this driver actually. You can go through this document to check the what are the updates for this driver. So let me download first actually. Let me download and install actually. Tap on download. Tap on accept. For the same thing, Bluetooth also tap on the download. Tap on accept. Let me open the file. Let me open the driver in the file. Let me install. First time installing this Wi-Fi driver. Double click on this Wi-Fi driver. Tap on yes. It is this Intel Pro Set wireless Wi-Fi software. Welcome to Intel software installer. Tap on the next and tap on I agree. Sorry, check this box. I agree and tap on next. Tap on next. Just you can see here it is using the software Wi-Fi driver actually. So after you updated this Wi-Fi driver actually, so it will give some performance improvement also actually. So it can go through the document actually what are the features introduced, what are the improvements they introduced with this driver actually. So please go through the document and you can understand what is the improvements, the hardware improvements and the software actually the document states that actually compared to the previous Wi-Fi driver versions, it will costly connecting actually the Wi-Fi connections. Increases the Wi-Fi performance also. Performance performance of the Wi-Fi driver also increased actually after the update of this driver. You can put here actually while we are installing the connection is connecting and keep and directly it will connect here actually. You can notice that thing also on the Wi-Fi symbol. So while you are installing, you can observe this Wi-Fi symbol also while the driver is installing here. It is getting disconnected and reconnecting also. You can see here, you can see here, no, the installation is completed. Tap on finish. Same thing we will do with the Bluetooth driver also. Open this Bluetooth driver also. And let me install this Bluetooth driver also. Tap on yes. For same thing, Bluetooth driver also, you can download these notes. You can read the description for this. What are the hardware improvements and software they implemented with driver actually. You can read the document, you can read the release notes for this Wi-Fi drive, sorry, for this Bluetooth driver also. It is asking actually, are you sure you want to upgrade from 23.160.0.3 to 23.170.0.3 actually? So tap on yes, tap on next, tap on next, check this box, I accept, and tap on next, tap on complete. You can choose type color custom also. If you want to change it, want to change any settings, you just can go through custom option also. I will go with complete, tap on install, and if you want to check the connection speed actually, just you try actually, just you disconnect the, after the updation of this driver, Wi-Fi driver, just disconnect and from the internet, from your Wi-Fi, and try the reconnect actually. So you find any difference, just check for, I mean, is there any performance improvements? You can check you can check in this way also actually. Is there any improvements, performance improvement after the Wi-Fi update driver? So they stated they gave a statement actually, they improved the Wi-Fi performance also, connecting speed actually. Compared to the others co-driver version, the connecting speed is very fast. Just you try actually, just disconnect the Wi-Fi from your internet from your Wi-Fi connection. Just try to reconnect actually. Tap on finish. The Bluetooth driver also finished. Tap on finish. And open this device manager actually. Just let me check actually both the drivers. The version changed or not actually. Before is actually 23.160 for Wi-Fi. Tap on properties, tap on driver. So you can see here, before it is 23.160. So it is 23.170 actually. Let me check for the Bluetooth driver also. Tap on properties. I click on the driver and tap on properties and tap on driver. The same thing actually. Updated to 23.170.0.3. Before it is 23.160.0.3. So both the driver version also updated. The command prompt also, let me execute this command actually. sh space WLAN space interfaces. Here you cannot find any driver update, driver version actually. That's why you cannot find any difference here. The command actually. Because the Wi-Fi generation is same, 6 only. So that's it guys. Just go through the release notes and download these drivers through Intel Driver Support Assistant, or the directly you can download from the website also. And after you update the both the drivers, just check the performance of the Wi-Fi connection and Wi-Fi connection actually. That's it guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please hit like button and please click subscribe my channel. For more upcoming videos, please hit bell icon. And please share it to others also. Thank you. Thank you very much.